The power of non-verbal communication, reconnecting without words. Namaste, dear listeners. I am Seema Kukreja, and I welcome you with an open heart to the Soul Bridge podcast. As you must have noticed, that we have changed the name from the Silent Fix to the Soul Bridge, and just I wanted to let you know, guys, all that. Today, I want to speak about something many parents overlook. Yet, it is often the bridge that can heal broken bonds. When your grown child walks into a room and avoids your eyes, when their shoulders tighten around you, when silence hangs heavier than any words could carry, that silence is not emptiness, it is communication. It is their body speaking the language of emotions. And here's the beautiful truth: you don't always need words to reconnect. Sometimes your energy, presence, and non-verbal signals say more than any conversation ever could. Why words aren't enough? Let's pause and reflect. How many times have you tried to explain, to convince, to fix with words, and yet the more you spoke, the more your child drifted away? This happens because words ride on energy. If your body is tense, your eyes are critical, or your voice carries hidden judgment, your child feels it instantly. Think back to your own childhood. Remember when your parents' silence, their sigh, or even their look made you shrink. It wasn't the words, it was the energy behind them. And your children, now adults, carry the same sensitivity. So when words fail, your energy speaks. The hidden pain in silence. Here's a truth many parents don't realize. When your child goes silent, it's rarely about rejection, it's protection. It's their nervous system saying, I don't feel safe to open up right now. Maybe every conversation in the past turned into advice, correction, or emotional weight. Maybe their silence is their shield against disappointment. But here's the hope: you can change this dynamic not by talking more, but by showing up differently. Your non verbal presence can become the doorway to healing. Now, let's understand the language of the non verbal love. Let's explore how you can reconnect without words. Number one, your eyes. Eye contact is powerful. Instead of scanning with criticism, let your eyes say, I see you, I accept you as you are. A soft gaze can melt defenses faster than 1,000 words. Second, your body language. Relax your shoulders, uncross your arms, lean slightly forward. This posture tells your child, I am open, I am safe, I am here. Number three, your touch. Sometimes a gentle hand on the arm of a warm hug, offered without demand, says you belong. But remember, don't force it. Let touch be an invitation, not an obligation. Number four, your energy field. Children sense your energy instantly. If your inner state is anxious, needy, or angry, they withdraw. But when you cultivate calmness, groundedness, and warmth, they lean in. This is why healing your own nervous system matters so deeply. Because when you are calm, your presence becomes medicine. Let's take a small practice. Let's do together right now. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Imagine your grown child sitting across from you. You don't need to say anything. Just imagine sending them a wave of acceptance through your eyes. Through your body posture, through your energy, and whisper inside your heart, "You are safe with me. I don't need to fix you. I just want to love you." Feel how the atmosphere softens even without words. Instead of asking, "Why they don't talk to me?" This is an exercise where you are shifting your perspective. Okay, so instead of asking, "Why they don't talk to me?" shift the question to, "How can I create safety with my presence?" Your child doesn't need another lecture. They need a safe parent, someone whose silence feels like comfort, not pressure. And when you master this, something magical happens. Conversations open naturally. Laughter returns slowly. Connection blossoms again. If this touched your heart today, I want to invite you to take the next step with me. Join my free webinar, The 3 Sacred Shifts to Reconnect with Your Grown Child, where I'll guide you through powerful tools to transform silence into safe communication. The link is in the description. And come to be a part of my WhatsApp healing community, where mothers like you gather for daily reflections, safe sharing, and gentle healing practices. This link is also in the description. Remember, silence is not the end, it's an invitation. And with presence, patience, and energy, you can turn silence into the most sacred bridge of love. Until next time, stay gentle with yourself. You're already a loving parent. And your love, when freed of words, can heal more than you imagine. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care of yourselves and love yourself to the fullest. Bye bye and God bless you.